Alright, today we're gonna open up Rebel Clash, Unified Minds, Fates Collide, and Evolutions. Let's start with Fates Collide. Let's see, I think it's 10 cards. What, 3? I hope it's 3. It's not 3. Oh, it's 3. Fairy Garden. Breakson. Scorched Earth. Deerling. Snubble. Minchino, this is my favorite Pokemon from Black and White. Bronzor. Larvitar. Wormadam, Reverse Hollow. And the Lucario that you already saw. No. Up next, we're going to do Unified Minds. Breloom, Dark City, Musharna, Cubone, Yanma, Yungoos, Cryo, I don't know how to pronounce that. Litwick. Reverse Hollow Joltik. And he's not Hollow Scrafty. Alright. Let's do Evolutions. No, yeah, let's do Evolutions. Farfetch'd. Brock's Grit. Slowbro Spirit Link. Magmar. Staryu. Tangela. Rattata. Weedle. Voltorb. And Reverse Hollow Tangela. Packs aren't very good today. Alright. Shield and Sword. Rebel Clash. Here we go. Life Energy, Full Heal, Sonia, Masquerain, Meditite, Milcery, I don't know, Growlithe, Impidimp, Bunnelby, and then Nugget, Reverse Hollow Nugget. It's pretty cool. And a Ludicolo. That one's pretty neat. Alright, hope you enjoyed it.